Well, AAA's approved auto repair program consists of thousands of auto repair facilities across North America and provides our members with trusted, pre-screened shops that have highly trained technicians, a terrific warranty, fair pricing, member discounts, dispute resolution, and the peace of mind that comes with the backing of one of the most trusted brands in America, AAA.
So what is the value proposition of the approved auto repair program for members, facilities, and for clubs? I get really excited because it's one of those relationships that's a win for everyone that's involved. For our members, they can feel confident when selecting an approved auto repair facility and have the trust knowing that they'll receive the best possible repairs, warranty coverages, and exceptional discounts. Our repair shops are equally as proud to display our AAA emblem outside of their facilities and on their digital marketing and websites.
We have been in the AAA approved auto repair program going on 18 years now.
We chose to participate in the AAA Auto Repair Program to seamlessly enhance the member experience by also providing the ERS roadside portion as well.
It brings tremendous value by having the name AAA Approved Auto Repair. It's synonymous with providing exceptional experience to the member.
The approved auto repair program is important to AAA's long-term strategy to be the leading and trusted expert in automotive resources and information, to support mobility, and it brings everyday relevance to the AAA brand.